Osio Halito, I am bringing forth the Animal Spiritrology, which is Animal Spirit Totems versus the Zodiac readings and Life Path readings. When you get these readings, I tap into three major spiritualities. Okay, we have the attachedness, Aboriginal Indigenous spirituality from the American Indians. We have the Toltec Oracle from Central and South America, the Americas. Okay, and we have the Zodiac, the astrology. And so with the reading, I break down your animal totem and your zodiac, okay? In your reading, I touch on the energies that are present in the cards that I pull, okay? We have the air element. This is representing the air element, the wind. The air is the breath of life, the spirit of great spirit, great mystery, the creator, creatress. So the air element is Akato. And we have Raven, which is Libra. The Raven is a messenger, the shapeshifter, also known as the great womb of the universe, the great mother. All right. The deer is the Gemini energy. The Gemini energy, you know, that is duality. With duality, you have the light and the dark side. So there is a light and dark side to the deer. In spirituality, you have the blue deer, which represents shamanic journeying, going within and taking a trip, as they say. Some may call it hallucinations, but that's the bastardized version of having a spiritual experience. So Geminis tap into both energies, the light and dark, and that is the deer. We have the otter, which is the Aquarius energy. The Aquarius energy is they have the good parenting skills, okay? The good parenting skills, and they have that independent nature. So I will tap into these energies for the air signs and the animal totems for the air signs. So if you want a reading, peep out the information below, and you can go to RRJXITIPS.com. So I am signing out. I am the Shining One, Shining Sea, the Anidohi, the Messenger, the Shaman, the Spiritualist. Peace.